Students, what is the need for such a lengthy accounting process, or why we should identify each and every item as income and expense and asset and liability? It's for the two reasons. One, any businessman who runs a business will be only with this intention to make profit, or at least he should know whether he is suffering loss. And number two, he should know his financial position. That is, what are his assets, what are the liabilities. So, if a businessman wants to know whether he is making profit or loss, or if a businessman wants to know what is his financial position, he should prepare accounts. And the preparation of accounting goes through a detailed process. So, what is the detailed process? First, whenever a financial transaction take place, vouchers have to be passed. That is number one. Based on those vouchers, what will happen? Based on those vouchers, accounting entries will be prepared. So once accounting entries are prepared, postings will be done in the ledgers. And once all ledgers are done, ledgers will be closed and they'll be taken to trial balance. So with the help of trial balance, what is prepared? Something called final accounts, and that final accounts basically comprises something called P&L and balance sheet. What is this P&L? It's a statement called profit and loss account. And what is this balance sheet? This is a statement which helps to know the financial position. We have seen here, any businessman will be interested in knowing profit or loss, and he will be able to know that only if he prepares this P&L account. And any businessman will be interested in knowing his financial position, and that would be possible only if he prepares a balance sheet. So if a businessman wants to know these two information, he should prepare accounts, and accounting goes through all this process. So in voucher, we identify the financial transaction and will account the transaction appropriately. I mean, whether it is an income or expense or asset or liability, the dual classification is done at the voucher stage, then it goes through accounting, then goes through ledger, trial balance, P&L and balance sheet. The preparation of P&L and balance sheet is called preparation of final accounts.
Thank you for watching this video. Hope you liked it. If you wish to learn more on this topic, do check our comprehensive online course. I have given the link in the description below. If you like this video lecture, do not forget to click on that like, share and subscribe button with bell icon.